In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create or upload your product in your store. Keep in mind that product is the main uh, source of business and the main point of the business, and we need to make sure that we upload our product on the right way to communicate with the customer and to engage customer and to exactly show the solution which this product provide to the customer. That will help us to generate sale. Other than that, if normally people uploading product but without following the method, the way how to upload the product, that never help, that never generate any sale. So today in this video I'm going to tell you how to upload your product to the catalog. First of all, we come to the product tab and click on the product tab and create an add product. In this page we have from the top to bottom some sections which we need to understand what is the purpose of these all section. The top is the name of the product. This is the identification of the product. We need to choose the right name and exactly what the product is. No random name, no copy paste name. Look at the product, what is the product doing, what is the product uh, basically is, and choose the right name to be found easily. The second portion is description, where in detail we talk about our product, what is uh, the benefit of this product, what is the problem solving by this product, and what is exactly inside this product. So these all points we always insert in our description area. In our description area we have in editor. In that editor you have some tools like you can bold your fonts, and you can even give a background to the fonts. Also you can align and sort the fonts. Other than that, you can uh, assign link to a specific word inside the description. You can upload images, and also you can upload videos inside the description. And also you have a code view where you can insert your HTML code if you want some design and layout or theme styling inside your description, that you can do from here. So all these features are available in the description section. Next is category, where we have universal category list. You can choose any suitable category for your product, which is as per the Google SEO, as per the Google category structure. uh, so if you don't choose, that's also fine. You can leave it blank, but if you choose it, that's also there to choose from. In the next portion we have image section, where we can upload image to the product. And then the price, this is the price which we want to sell it on this price, and this is the price before sale. Like for example, we have 150 dirham original price, and the discount price is 100 dirham. Cost price is for your internal use, to see how much benefit you get, how much margin you get from this product. If you don't want to, you can leave it blank. The inventory is for the purpose that if you want to track the quantity, you can make it enable. If you don't want to track the quantity, you can keep it disable. The main purpose for the tracking inventory is that if you have 10 pieces of quantity for a specific product, and you enable the track quantity, once the 10 pieces is sold, the item will be sold out automatically from your website, and no more order you can get for that specific product. But if you disable the track quantity, and then the system will no more track the quantity, and order will always coming until you stop it. The next part is SKU, which is normally stock keeping unit number. If you want uh, to store that number with your product, you can insert it here. Barcode is for the Scanning purpose, you can use the original barcode of the product. If you have, just copy and paste it here. You no need to have a second barcode for your product. And if you don't have it, you can print from the system give you the barcode. That will I will show you once I'm explaining about the barcodes in the next video. But we have barcode, so you can print the barcode and paste it on your product, and later if you want to scan it, that will help you for that purpose. Physical and digital, we have two kind of products in our system. If you have physical product which you can physically ship, store and sell, you can choose physical. If you have a digital product, for example you selling software, painting, contents or some books, digital books, you can choose that. We Eaglecart fully support the digital product. About the digital product, I will create a separate video where we will talk about the digital product. So weight is for the purpose of shipping and understanding that how much is the weight of the item. If you want to add weight to this item, you can add the weight, for example 1 kg. And further, the dimension is for the shipping purpose to understand the size of the product. If you ship through the DHL or any international shipping company, they will ask you for the dimension. So if you store the dimension inside the product on the air waybill, once you have the order, in that time will automatically it will be easy to understand that what is the exact size of the item. Country of origin basically use while when you do international shipping, maybe the shipping company or the receiving country of the goods ask you for the country of origin. It's called like a CO. This is for that purpose. If you do internally inside the same country, maybe it is not required. HS code is also for the international shipping line. They maybe ask you for the, if you shipping containers, you must provide them the HS code. We have the HS code library completely here. If you want to find any HS code, you just need to type the product. For example, if I choose the battery cell, so the HS number will automatically appear here. Normally people do a lot of struggle to find this HS code because they need to find the library and then match the HS code with the name of the product. But here we make it very easy for you, that you just type the name of the item and you will get the HS code. Variant, we have for the purpose of size and color. Basically these two are the main variant which we use here. For example, if we have a variant like a color, so which is a variant color, and then we add the value of the color like a red and blue and green. So mm, in this flow, you will get automatically system will generate three variants for you: the red and the blue and the green. Each variant you can choose a separate price or different price if there is different prices. And in the front side of the website, user can view different prices for the different size color. Also you can choose the original price and the discount price, both you can choose here. And also the cost of the price, the item, to track per variant the profit margin on the item. And also you can add in the next option. In the next variant you can add like a size, and in that you can choose like a small, large and X large. System will automatically group the color with the sizes. Like for example, we have a red color, and in that red color we have small, large and X large. Each variant by size or by color you can choose different prices if it's there, and the quantity also as well if it's there. So now as you see, we have three color and we have three groups, and each group have their own sizes. So the system will handle these all for you, and you can handle multiple sizes and colors inside the same item. In the next section, we have custom option. Some businesses which they use maybe custom options. For example, they choose uh, the name, like for example they choose the bundles, and in that bundle they can choose like selection. For example, they choose two pieces of bundle, and then three pieces of bundle, and each bundle they can assign different price. This is for the purpose, if it's required you can make it required, so user must select it and then can go ahead, otherwise it will not go ahead. Other than that, we have multiple choices to choose multiple options as per your need. The last portion, which is the most important portion, is the search engine optimization portion, where I always suggest people that properly create your meta title, uh, and properly create your meta description, which exactly describe the product which you are uploading, and also um, align with your business specialties and services which you provide, to let the internet understand that who is selling the product and what is the product about. And the URL also, I will always suggest to create a short URL, exactly on the point URL. This will help you in terms of search engine optimization. Uh, do not enter a random URL or a random uh, meta title or description. At the right side, we have classes, like if you have some classes in the item, for example, same like we have classes like a fancy class, or like we can say like outdoor class, or we can say like the beach class. So we can create our classes and then assign here to this product. So once a user go to our website and he search like a beach, and so these item will appear with the beach. Wondery is our supplier. If we have multiple supplier, or we have multiple brands and we want to assign these brands with our product for internal use, when we see in the catalog, we can separate, or we can identify that this product is belong to this supplier. And if we enable it to show the front side on the website, user can see that this product is belong to this brand. And collection is basically the collection which we create in the last video. You can assign one collection to this product. For example, you want to show this battery or this item in a specific collection, this 12-volt lipo battery section. But at the same time, you can add multiple collection to show this item inside. For example, an item is in a 12 battery collection, but also this can be in new arrival. You can choose a new arrival to show this item in the new arrival. Also, you can show in another collection which is Bluetooth batteries, and then you can assign this product to that collection. In multiple collection, you can show the same item. Tags is the tags which we want to tag the item, bundle the item at the front end or at the back end both. You can choose multiple tags which you can create from the product section in organization, and you can create here multiple tags, and that tags you can assign to your products. Images we can upload from here, and Eaglecart is fully supporting images plus videos. You can upload images and videos both at the same time, and there is no restriction on that. Uh, at the right side, there is inventory control like daily capacity. Some businesses maybe can sell 100 item a day, and they do not have ability to sell more than that. For example, a small business creating or making cakes inside their home, and they can only bake uh, 100 cakes a day, so they just capacity for day is 100, and after 100 they no more sell the cake. Maximum is like some businesses are wholesale businesses, and they want only to the maximum is like per item you can choose, like some item maybe you sale in promotion or in deals, and you want user to can buy maximum 2 pieces only. So when he add 2 pieces in his cart, further he will not able to add anymore in the cart. Minimum quantity is like sometime this is especially for those who sell in wholesale and they don't want to sell single item. They can choose from 10, like minimum 10 item you have to buy. So when he click on add to cart, the add to cart will start from 10 pieces, and that is for the wholesale purpose. Expire date is like some item which have expiry date, which is like beverage or food item. They can choose the expiry date, so they can understand that the item will expire on this date and it will be no more available for sale on the website. The most important and uh, valuable part in this page, in this product page, I will tell you about the action button. Action button is the result of this all effort we do. When we upload our product, we want to let the customer purchase it or contact us. So by default we have add to cart button, but if some product you do not want to be added to cart and just you want the customer to contact you, you can choose the WhatsApp button. In that case you will have only WhatsApp button to be connected, to be contacted with you. And you can choose both button. I always suggest WhatsApp and add to cart button both. Let the user to choose to purchase from the website or to contact you through the WhatsApp. So these are the main feature which I show you in the blank page, and in the next page I will again